Have you ever felt that no matter how many grammar rules you memorize, speaking a new language fluently just feels out of reach? We've all been taught that language is all about memorizing rules. But what if I told you that this focus on rules might be the very thing holding you back? Take a classic rule: a verb plus a noun makes a sentence. It seems like this pattern should let us create endless correct phrases. But if you say eat table, it's obviously wrong. The rule just failed. Now here's the kicker. In Chinese, the phrase qi shi tang is perfectly correct. But it doesn't mean eat the cafeteria, it means eat in the cafeteria. The rule can't explain this. So grammar rules are like cookie cutters, they have limits. What really together is meaning. Let's see more examples with the Chinese verb qi. First, 吃大汤. This is an action plus location structure.
吃大碗 is an action plus tool structure.
It means to eat using a big bowl.
And 恢复疲劳 means to recover from fatigue. It's an action plus cause structure. See the difference? The Chinese verb 吃 is a social butterfly with a huge circle of friends. The English verb eat is more of a homebody. It mostly hangs out with food itself.
This shows that directly translating structures word for word often leads to nonsense. You have to translate the meaning, not the grammar. Let's compare another pair, sanshou and enjoy. The dictionary says they're equivalents, but their friend groups are totally different. Enjoy means to get pleasure from something. Its friends are music, food, vacations, but sanshou has a much wider social circle. It can mean to enjoy, but it also means to have or receive a right or benefit. Like sanshou gongfei yiliao, to have free medical care. If you tell an English speaker I enjoy free medical care, it sounds like you think being sick is fun. This proves a word's partnerships are decided by its deep, culturally learned meaning, not its grammar category. So, how do we learn language? Kids don't start with rules.
They listen and copy, learning whole chunks of language at a time.
This means your brain is not a grammar processing machine that builds every sentence from scratch. It's more like a Lego warehouse. It's stocked with pre-made chunks, from words and phrases to whole sentence patterns. When we speak, we're just grabbing these chunks and assembling them.
吃食堂 is a mini construction itself.
Its pattern is 吃 plus location, and its job is to mean to do an activity at a place. So here are the 3 big takeaways. First, grammar rules have limits. Second, word partnerships are based on deep meaning. And third, fluent speaking comes from collecting and using chunks. Stop stressing over rules. Listen more, read more, and pay attention to how native speakers put chunks together. Your brain is built for this. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. Now, I want to hear from you. What's an interesting word or phrase in your language that doesn't translate directly? Let me know in the comments.